Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a nurse, so let's get started. To draw this nurse, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, about right here, and connect at the bottom with a curve. There, so just a basic curve right there for the face, and then let's come back to where you started, and towards the edge I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing on the other side. So let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to put two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so then let's put some lashes right here. So on the corner right here, just two simple lashes, so two small curves. And then let's go above each eye, and then so about in this area, I'm just going to draw a soft curve for the brow. Same thing on the other side. So about right here. And let's give our nurse here a very sweet smile. So say about right here, curve and cap it off. Then from there, let's start to draw her hair. So let's bring this up a tiny bit more. And I'm just going to give her a strand right here. So I'll come about in this corner where her hair parts. And I'm just going to come down close to her brow, go back up. And then on this side, I'm just going to sweep a curve all the way down. And then this side, you're just going to bring in a curve right here. So you can bring this line up. So then let's bring this down more. And in this area, I'm going to tuck in her ear. So where her eyes are, just going to bring in a curve for her ear. And same thing on this side. So then let's just finish this curve and tuck her ear in there. Then from there, let's come up right in this area, and we're going to bring up a curve for where her hair parts. And about right there, I'll stop, and this will go up, and this part will come down. So I'm going to work on this side first. Let's just bring this curve down, and we're going to tuck her hair in and bring it down. So on this side, we're just going to go up and down, so towards this area. And if you like, you can add a little strand that comes out maybe, so it's not so round. And once again, tuck it back in. There, just a simple hairstyle. Her hair is going to be tied up. And that is pretty much for the face. So then now let's start to draw her body. So right here in the center, we're going to draw a neck. And we're going to bring down for her shoulders, down on both sides. And let's see here. And then let's give her a, right here, her collar. So we bring it down, kind of like a V. And then we're going to imagine kind of her armpits would be about in this area right here on both sides. From those 2 points, I would usually draw 2 angle lines to draw the body. But because I know there's a stethoscope that I need to draw in this area, and I can't erase because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to draw the stethoscope first. So let's come here. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw the 2 angle lines first. So I'm going to wrap the tube right here around the neck. And then in this area, I'm just going to draw a circle. So I kind of used that point where the armpits was to start my circle. And come in here and draw another circle that I've totally muddled up. So this would be the diaphragm area, and then the center circle right here would be the bell. And this is the tube. So I definitely Googled the stethoscope and the parts and the names so I could tell you guys what I'm drawing here. So on this side, we're going to draw another, it's going to be overlapped right here. So the other part of the tube coming around the neck. And then we're going to draw the curve. So right here, create that curve. And then this is going to be a little bit thicker. And then we're going to draw the binaural tubes, if I have that right. So we're going to come out right here. And this side. It's going to be overlapped. And I'm going to stop it right there and then just draw a little thicker piece for the ear tips. Something like that, as long as it kind of looks like it, right? That's our goal. It's a little bit thicker here. So as you notice, as you're drawing this, just make sure using those 2 points that it's around this area, not going too much lower. So we have the stethoscope in finally. Now we can go in for all the details. So where that point was, right there, remember, we're going to draw the angle line down so we can start our body. And then from there, I'm going to, let's see here. We're going to, let's draw this on this hand first. So I'm going to come in here, bring this up. Continue this line for the shirt, and right here I'm going to draw the sleeve on this side. So the sleeves on a nurse's outfit is pretty long, so about right there. And I'm going to stop because I have this arm that's going to be curved into her pockets. So about right here. Go 2 angle lines, and I'm going to bring in her hand. Right there. And so come back over here. So I'm going to go back and forth so I can see kind of where I put my hands. From there, okay, so then now we're just going to put our thumb, so curve it down. And this part's going to be a little bit more flared out. And in this area, I'm going to stop with a line for the pocket, and this is going to continue. And so then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. So about right here, sleeve. Continue this line down. Okay, so on this side, she's holding a clipboard. So we're going to come right here, draw an angle line, and so then this hand right here is going to come down, and it's going to be past her shirt. So about right here, we're going to draw a thumb and her hands, her fingers. Go up, angle it, and then we're going to continue this down to connect. And so then we can go ahead and tuck this clipboard in here at that angle. And it's just a little detail right here if you want to make it a clipboard. Okay, so then finally we can come into this area and finish off her shirt, her top. So I'm just gonna kind of wobble a line across, and then we can finish the pockets. There, and then another detail right here on her collar. Just gonna thicken up her collar. And maybe a little line here for her sleeve. For some details. And so I hope I didn't make it too complicated. If you're using a pencil, definitely draw this shape in first, right here. So then it's going to be a little bit easier for you to figure out where to put the hands. But like I said, because I'm using a Sharpie, I had to draw in these things first before I could finish the shirt. Okay, sorry. So from there, let's draw the pants. The pants are real easy compared to the top. So right in the center, we're just going to give ourselves a point, and from there I'm going to draw angle line down. Okay, so then on this side we're going to come down. So the pants are kind of thick and loose, so just going to bring this down more. And about right there, I'll stop and connect. And then the shoes. So simple shoes, just curve it out and connect. Draw a little curve right here for the sole area. Okay, and then let's see here. Before I forget, I'm going to give her her little ponytail right here. So in this area, just going to tuck in indication of her hair being tied up, if you like. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here for my nurse to make her my Draw So Cute nurse. So they're all done. I hope I was able to help you draw this nurse. And like I said, I know this section right here is a little bit complicated, but I hope I was able to help you and inspire you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.